Alright, this is a quick video on how I use Rivnuts to secure bodywork like this carbon fiber side skirt from APR to my BRZ. Here's an installed one. Sorry for the flashing if my LED makes it flash. It's very secure. There's an additional washer on the back side so it doesn't fall through. And this is what it looks like. So I have a really long M6 bolt here. Got this off some other car. It's a spare part. Key is that it's got to be long enough to get all the way near the end of this with the additional nut and washers. That's really important. Otherwise, you're not going to have enough threads to pull it down. So what it looks like is I've got this, let me try and do this with one hand. This bolt with a built-in washer. If you don't have a washer built into yours, you can just add one. That's fine. It's convenient that mine doesn't slip around. This nut is a little bit bigger, so it just drops right in. You'll need that. It's important. It needs to be bigger. Loose fit so that you can hold it with a open-ended wrench. Then you're going to take I like to put 2 washers so it can help slide on there, and then you need to thread this as far as it'll go. Like I said, the further it'll go the better, because you need to pull it down. Try to do this one sort of one-handed. Hold on just a second. All right, so it's ready to go. So all I did was thread it down. You can see that it's out at the end there. So I'm going to pop this into the hole. These are the washers that I'm using for these Rivnuts. These Rivnuts, if you notice, are longer than standard Rivnuts. They're sort of pre-bent or whatever it's called. If you look for long Rivnuts, I think you can find them on Amazon. That's where I got them. Zinc plated, so they shouldn't rust out very quickly. I don't have a hole ready, but at any rate, you would pop this into the hole, and then on the back side, what you're going to want to do is, hopefully you can reach the back side. You're going to put this washer on. You don't have to have the washer, but the washer helps add strength, especially if it's like a plastic part that you're mounting it to. You don't need it at all if it's like a metal or something more sturdy than just bodywork plastic. But for bodywork plastic, I do like to use the washer on the back side. Keeps this Rivnut from tearing up the plastic, because what's going to happen is as you spin this down, this is going to flare out, and there's going to be like 4 little like arms that sort of grab into the material. That can really damage the plastic, so it's good if you have this washer on the other side. So that's pretty much it, and hope this helps. It makes for a very sturdy bodywork, and it's nice having the threaded hole so that you can mount and dismount things very quickly after you have the Rivnuts in place. Right? Good luck. Bye. Alright, let's see if we can do part 2 of the using the Rivnuts. Thought it'd be helpful to see how to actually put it to use. Alright, so I've got that stack of, actually the very same stack that I showed earlier, in the washer as well. So I'm going to try and push the washer in here, right where this hole is. Maybe. Almost. Alright. And I'm going to try and get this through, making sure to get it through the washer. It's actually a really nice tight fit, so it won't fall back down when I get it in there. I'll try not to pinch myself, so I'm going to do this. Alright. And the washer's still in place. So I've got my 13 mil wrench to hold on to that larger nut. That's under the bolt. and I have a impact, right angle impact that I'm going to use. But if you're doing this for the first time, I do not suggest using an impact. I'm going to be lazy and use an impact. I don't feel like turning it by hand. And now I lost my grip on the bolt here. This is not easy to do upside down while filming. Okay, alright. Let's see if I can do this without screwing it up on video. So I just pulse it because I don't want to go too crazy tight. I check in on it once in a while. Since I slipped off, I'm just going to check it. And I'm not even close yet, so I'd rather be safe than sorry. So you've got to maintain upwards pressure. That's really important. You don't want this all slipping downwards. Okay, so it's the riv nut is starting to crush out, which is exactly what we want. Pretty good flare on the backside already. So what I do is I tend to watch the socket to see how much it's spinning. I'm probably going to stop pretty soon here. It's yeah, it's flared up pretty good. So at this point, I can just reverse it. So there you go. There's a nice sturdy hole. And this is, I mean, I'm really trying to pull hard here. It's not going anywhere. So I hope this helps.